It's important that the art is of the place. It has to be part of the conversation. We came down to look at the city and to see what we could make art about. So the James River is the thing that has made it possible for Richmond to be here.
Our painting was deliberately done with the idea of it being translated into a mosaic.
We really wanted this sense of explosion in the water, that the water was going on the rocks, and the rocks and the water had made a sort of harmony together. They were collaborating. And we really started to hear the river, and that's why it's called riversong. We want to hear the music of the river through the visual tiles. We saw the importance of the capital the first time we came, and that's when we thought about the flow lines. So the two things that form a city, the river and the Capitol building, are connected to this building, which is commerce. And it's commerce that excites the city. We're creating a place where these three elements work together.
It's called Clear Passage, and it's meant to be engaged with. It looks like the rays of sunlight coming down through clouds in a storm. So it has a kind of a ethereal feel to it. Even though it's made out of stainless steel and glass, it's like being in the mist.
I think one of the things Bob Clark, the head of Clayco, wants to do is he wants to make distinctive architecture. When we first went there, we just thought, oh, he'll want the mosaic or he'll want the sculpture. But he wanted it all. And I think that the reason that's so smart is because it creates a place. And I think that says something about his building. That his building creates a conversation with the rest of the city.